teach you about outer space. Let's start with planets since you are living on a planet right now. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are terrestrial planets/inner planets. Sorry to interrupt your teaching session, but I'm also here to teach. Anyways, the terrestrial planets are rocky, have no rings, and have 0 to 1 moons. The last 4 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are Jovian/outer planets. They are also called gas giants. The Jovian planets are gas giants as they are made up of mainly gas. They have rings and they have many moons. Remember, Pluto is not a planet. It does not fit the criteria of being considered a planet. The reason why it's not a planet is because it shares its orbit with other celestial beings. Now we are going to talk about comets, asteroids, meteoroids, meteorites, and meteors. Comets are like dirty snowballs. They're made up of frozen gas, rock, and dust. Asteroids are floating rocks mainly found in the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. A meteoroid is found in space, while a meteor is found in the Earth's atmosphere. Lastly, a meteorite hits the surface of the Earth. Now that we know mostly the basics of the solar system, I'll just tell you a tiny bit more about these planets. Our focus will be on the Earth, Moon, and Sun. So basically, oh my clematis, why does that apple have a radio? Hello, my name's Amara. We apologize for the inconvenience. Someone could not tolerate getting hit by an apple, couldn't they? Anyways, goodbye. Wait, where did it go? I blinked and it was gone. This is a bad apple. Anyways, apples bring us to gravity. Gravity is a force of attraction. We are all attractive. Indeed, we are all attractive. And you are very attractive, Two-Time. Oh, why thank you, Azure. In mass. Anyways, the more mass someone has, the more gravity. Gravity keeps all the planets in their solar system in orbit. Revolution is something revolving around another thing. The Earth revolves around the sun. Rotation is when an object spins. The Earth spins on its tilted axis. Revolution and rotation also brings us to our next topic, seasons. I will go over the reasons for the seasons. Quick reminder, rotation takes 24 hours. Revolution takes 365.25 days. The reasons for the seasons are the Earth's revolution around the sun, the Earth having a tilted axis, and indirect and direct sunlight. Remember, seasons are always the opposite. The northern and the southern hemisphere are different. If the summer is in the north, it's winter in the south. Now, there are very important dates for the seasons. They are called equinoxes and solstices. The summer solstice is on June 21st. It is the longest day of the year. The winter solstice is on December 21st. It's the shortest day of the year. The equinoxes are called equinoxes because day and night are equal. The autumnal equinox is on September 21st. The vernal equinox is on March 21st. Vernal means spring. Keep that in mind. Also remember, June 21st, beginning of summer. September 21st, beginning of fall. December 21st, beginning of winter. And lastly, March 21st, beginning of spring. The northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun during summer solstice and away from the sun during winter solstice. First, I'll go over the phases. The phases are new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, waning crescent. When the moon is waxing, the light is on the right. When the moon is waning, the light is on the left. Remember, light is increasing during waxing and decreasing during waning. Remember, only half of the light is on the moon. One side is lit up and one side isn't. We see the light side because the sun is reflecting onto the moon. Tides are called because of the moon's gravitational pull, but also the sun's. The moon pulls more because it is closer to the Earth. When it pulls, it causes Earth's water to bulge. This causes tides. We also get tides on the other half of Earth because of inertia. We also have 2 high tides and 2 low tides every single day. Now, I'll go over spring tides and neap tides. Spring tides are when the sun, Earth, and moon are aligned in a straight line. Neap tides are when the sun, Earth, and moon are aligned in a right angle. Here's some additional information about these. Spring tides happen during new and full moons. Neap tide happens during first and third quarter moons. During spring tides, the high tides are higher and the low tides are lower. Lastly, in neap tides, the high tides are less high and the low tides are not as low.